Namaste, I'm Shiva Swati and thank you for visiting the Voice of God channel. And this video is about examination and that open book exams are better than memory tests, tests which are based on rote learning and testing what is absorbed by the brain because for the fundamental reason that short-term memory lasts only for about 24 to 48 hours. So even if you test what is absorbed by the brain in 48 hours, it usually vanishes. So it is not really applied in everyday life. Plus the concepts which you are testing are usually useless unless you know how to apply them. For example, if you are testing the definition of vaporization, there is no point in learning the definition unless you know where it can be applied and how is it useful in everyday life. You are testing the names of rivers in geography and how is it useful in everyday life. There are so many things which are neglected which are useful in everyday life. For example, if you instead of asking the names of rivers, you can ask how do you clean the rivers? How do you keep the rivers clean? How do you maintain balanced water supply, water usage in your homes? So, test questions which are not testing names and definitions and author concepts, which are questions which can be directly applied in everyday life. Those questions are more necessary than asking names and dates and parts of a body. They ask in details parts of a plant. So even if you take the gross definition that the child should know where is head, where is legs, where is hands, you don't need to know where all the arteries are located, how many muscles are there in the body, and the parts of a plant, what is a seed called, and how does the leaf have its different parts, the different parts of a leaf. So these are too much detail and it is completely draining the student of energy which he can use for being peaceful. Peacefulness requires a lot of energy. If you take up all energy in studying and in academics and in testing concepts which are redundant, you lose energy which you can invest on meditation, emotional management, peacefulness, being focused, concentrated. So all this requires a lot of energy, and the present system of examination, which is based on memory learning, is only testing memory for about 24 hours, and students are simply outpouring as if they are vomiting out the syllabus without really liking the syllabus, without absorbing the syllabus. So you cannot force children to hate studies this way. If you worship goddess Saraswati, goddess Isis, the gods would say that this type of learning which is making children hate learning is taking them to hell, because they are becoming so stressed, so anxious, and they are indulging into terrorism and aggressiveness, anger outbursts in the house. They feel they are being sacrificed by the parents and they are compromising all the time. So instead, if you have open-ended exam where they can look in the book and answer, they will not be so much stressed that their memory is being tested. Plus, all the answers are available on Google. So you can ask them to search for the answers and find the correct answers and write. So searching is a skill which we need in the current age. When we are making children internet savvy, we need to teach them how to search for the correct answers. We also need to teach them that if they read a page, which part, which line is the answer and which is irrelevant. So we need to teach them how to analyze a page, a reading, and then write the correct answers. We need to ask them how to analyze a story and find the moral or find the main message in the story. So these are open book questions. So there is absolutely no need to test memory in the current day and age where there is Google. Basic memory, of course, kindergarten you can test up to class 5. Basic memory you can test, but by class 2nd you should start applying the memory and finding out how it can be applied in everyday life. Instead of when the syllabus increases, you need to shift to application more than memory testing to reduce stress, aggression, suicides and murders amongst children. Because if you force children to study against their will, or even young college goers and adults, you will find that there is so much aggression which is stored up in them, and a lot of the emotional problems they face in adult life comes because they have suppressed so much stress in their younger days because of this schooling system of testing based on memory. This testing was relevant in the olden ages when you had to learn up mantras and produce them, because then we were creating warriors, right? Right now we do not need warriors, we need peacekeepers. There is so much abundance now in society. Some people have too much and other people have too little. So it is a matter of distribution. You need to teach people how to distribute the resources so that everyone has enough for their satisfaction, and people can contribute without fear that they will not have in the future, or that they will be judged badly if they do not have in the future. So you should stop associating success with money or marks, and you should associate success with peacefulness, compassion, helping abilities, emotional skills, so that people actually feel good about contributing to society. People feel successful while helping others, not simply by stealing from others and spending on their own weddings and showing off clothes and the decorations, which is like childish play. All this is that is why it said it is all maya, it is all illusion. Because if you spend on a wedding, all the money simply gets wasted on show and on food. So instead of that, if you can invest on staying happy in everyday life, if you can invest on your health, on good food, on crystals, and on learning about yourself, emotional management, and you can be comfortable living in everyday life financially, there will be a lot less stress on marriages. People will be a lot happier. So this desire to show off, short-term show off, comes from schooling where you are testing marks based on short-term memory. So that is why it is extremely important that tests need to be open book exams, or you should allow children to search on Google and then write. So those are analysis tests more than memory tests. And the age today is not 10,000 years ago when we needed memory tests. Because there was no technology available. The age today is for analysis tests, because there is so much technology. You should know what to use and what not to use, and you should know how to share and distribute resources instead of competitively grab everything, because people who competitively grab become very unhappy later. So you should teach children how to share, help each other understand and distribute. So that is why open book exams are very, very important. This change in society will definitely help in reducing aggression, angry protests, and terrorism in society. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.